Good morning, dear students. This is your computer teacher Amar Kaushik, and today I will teach you chapter 3rd of computer book, that is Advanced Features of Excel. Okay, dear students, so let's start the class. I want to tell you what is a chart is actually. Chart होता क्या है? Chart is an effective way to display data or information in a pictorial form. चार्ट आपके डेटा को और आपके इंफॉर्मेशन को एक पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में शो कर देता है. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू क्रिएट अ चार्ट. सो you just have to click on the start button and then type Excel and then click on the Excel 2030. Okay, dear students, now you will see some options here. You just have to click on the first option, that is blank workbook. Here you will see some rectangular boxes on the screen. The particular rectangular box is called a cell. The intersection of your row and column is called a cell. Okay, now I will tell you how to create a chart. So to create a chart, first you just have to make a record in MS Excel. As I have made a record already, here is a record. Okay, now you just have to select the record first. After that you have to click on the insert tab and then you have to select a chart. आपको जो चार्ट सेलेक्ट करना है you can select. As I have select the column chart. Okay, here it is. The column chart has been appeared on the screen. Okay, now you will see a option add chart element at the left hand corner of the computer screen. Just click on add chart element. You will see some options here: axis, axis titles, chart title, data labels. So many options are there. Okay, so just click on the axis option. You will see two options: primary horizontal and primary vertical. Okay, as I move the cursor to the primary horizontal, the horizontal data has been disappeared. That's how. I think you all can see the changes. If I move the cursor primary vertical, the vertical value has been disappeared. Okay, students. Now second option is axis titles. Now in the chart area you can't see the axis titles option. So just click on axis title options and then select primary horizontal. And you will see axis title option will be there in a horizontal way. Okay, now if you select again axis titles and then primary vertical, you will see the axis tile option vertically also. Okay, now again just click on add chart element and click on chart title. You will see a chart title here. This is called chart title. Okay, if you just move the cursor and click on centered overlay, your chart title will be positioning at the center of the chart. Okay, dear students, if you want to change the chart title, you can just make a single click and select the chart title and you can type the name or the chart title will be changed. As I have select school. Okay, dear students, now the next option, click on the data labels. If I click on the data label option, you will see some options here: none, center, inside end, inside base, outside end, and data column. Now as I move the cursor to the options, you will see the changes inside the chart. आप चार्ट के अंदर बहुत सारे चेंजेस देख सकते हो. Okay, dear students. Okay, now next, the data label. Data table option have three options inside it with legend key and no legend key. Okay, when I click on the no legend key option, you will see a table is there under the chart or under the bars. Here the names of the students and the marks of the students has been appeared. Okay dear students, now the next option is grid lines. Here you can see in the chart area no grid lines or no lines are there behind the bars. Then click on add chart element on the grid lines and click on primary measure horizontal. You will see the horizontal lines are there behind the bars. And then if you click on the measure vertical, then you will see the changes. Okay dear students, now the next option is legend key. Here are some options: none, right, top, left or bottom. You will see the changes. If I select bottom, a mark option is there with a square blue box. This blue box is called legend. Okay dear students, now I will tell you how to format the legend, the value axis, the data series and all. Okay, if you just want to select the data series or the bars, just right click there and click on the format data series option. You will see a window is appeared on the screen. Just click on the first option, that is fill and line option. Okay, here you will see fill and border, two options are there. Just click on the fill option and a drop down menu will appear on the screen. Here you will see some options: no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill and automatic. Okay, if you select gradient fill, you can see the changes. The color of the data series has been changed. Okay dear students, if I select picture or texture fill, you can again see the changes. Okay, now pattern fill, then again you can change the color of the data series. Okay dear students, now if I select border option, you can change the border of the data series as like solid line. Okay, and I select the color of the line will black, then you will see a black line has been appeared at the border of the data series. Okay dear students, now if I want to change the values of the value axis, you just have to right click on the value axis. Okay, then you will see a option format axis. Just click on the format axis option and you will see a option axis options. Here you will see two options, minimum and maximum. Minimum option is for the value 0 and the maximum option is for value 120. It means you can change the value axis or you can change the values of the value axis. If I enter the value 10 in the minimum box and 150 in the maximum box, you will see the changes. The values of the value axis has been changed. It has changed in 10 to 150. Okay dear students, if you again select the fill and line option, you will see fill option and you can select solid fill and you will see the changes. The color of the value axis has been changed. If you select gradient fill, again you can see the changes. Okay dear students, now again if you want to change the legend key or you can change the mark border of the legend key, you just have to right click there and then click on format legend. Okay dear students, a window will appear on the screen. Again you just have to click on the fill and line option, then click on the fill option and then gradient fill. you will see a gradient color will be appeared inside the legend option. And if you want to select to change the border of the legend key, then you can select the solid line option and you will see a border has been appeared outside the legend key. Okay dear students, now that's how you can format your chart. Here are some options. As you can see, there are so many options in the design tab by which you can change the design of your chart. That's how. If I move the cursor this, your chart has been changed. This. Okay dear students, I hope you all will understand. Okay, now that's all for today's class. Thank you.